Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Shovel, $5,500, Cincinnati, Ohio. The 1981 Harley-Davidson Shovel represents one of the final years of Harley's legendary Shovelhead era before the Evolution engine arrived. Known for its unmistakable V-twin rumble, classic styling, and strong aftermarket support, these motorcycles remain highly sought after by riders and collectors who appreciate traditional American craftsmanship and timeless character. This example features an S&S bottom end, stock top end, 4-speed transmission, kick and electric start, newer tires, and a recent battery. The seller states that it runs and rides, although the front brakes need attention while the rear brake is working properly. With a clear Ohio title and a tub of spare parts included, this Shovelhead offers a solid opportunity for anyone looking to own a classic Harley with plenty of vintage appeal. Number 2. 1976 Honda CB200T, $3,500, Xenia, Ohio. The 1976 Honda CB200T is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that earned a reputation for reliability, simple maintenance, and enjoyable everyday riding. With its classic 1970s styling and dependable Honda engineering, the CB200T continues to be a popular choice among enthusiasts looking for an authentic vintage Japanese motorcycle. Showing just 4,373 miles, this example is described as running very well while retaining its original paint, chrome, seat, owner's manual, and key. It is being sold with a notarized bill of sale rather than a title, with the seller noting that a title can be obtained through a vintage title service. For buyers seeking a clean and highly original Honda, this CB200T is an appealing classic. Number 3. 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750, $2,500, Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750 remains one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles, admired for its parallel twin performance, timeless styling, and rich motorcycling heritage. These Bonnevilles continued to attract collectors because they deliver the classic British riding experience that has made the model famous for generations. After spending many years in storage, this motorcycle has received cleaned carburetors, a sealed fuel tank, restored front brake operation, and a brand new seat. The seller says it runs, shifts, and rides, although the rear brake still needs attention. With much of its original character preserved, this Bonneville presents an affordable opportunity for restoration or enjoyable weekend riding. Number 4. 1977 Yamaha XS650 Street Tracker, $4,800, Seville, Tennessee. The Yamaha XS650 is widely recognized as one of Japan's most respected classic twin-cylinder motorcycles. Its dependable engine, balanced handling, and strong aftermarket support have made it a favorite for restorations and custom builds, including distinctive street tracker conversions like this one. According to the seller, the rebuilt engine has only 1,800 miles and includes new pistons, rings, a valve job, electronic ignition, an upgraded charging system, new clutch components, and rear shocks. Documentation for the completed work is also included, making this a nicely updated XS650 that's ready to be enjoyed on the road. Number 5. 1964 Ducati Monza 250, $3,500, Lockport, Illinois. The 1964 Ducati Monza 250 is a beautiful example of Ducati's early single-cylinder engineering and classic Italian design. These lightweight motorcycles have become increasingly collectible thanks to their historical significance, elegant styling, and growing rarity in today's vintage motorcycle market. This highly original and mostly complete project is not currently running, although the engine does kick over. The seller notes that it is missing the points cover and has a repaired clutch lever, while the odometer shows just 2,475 miles. With a clean title included, this Monza offers an excellent foundation for enthusiasts interested in restoring a rare piece of Ducati history. Number 6. 1978 Suzuki GS750C, $1,800, Mount Corey, Ohio. The 1978 Suzuki GS750C helped establish Suzuki as a serious competitor in the growing superbike market of the late 1970s. Powered by a reliable inline-4 engine, the GS750 became known for its solid performance, comfortable riding manners, and long-lasting durability. Today, these early GS models remain popular among enthusiasts looking for affordable vintage Japanese classics. This example shows 54,000 miles and is described by the seller as a clean, older motorcycle that runs well. Offered as is with a straightforward cash sale, it presents an affordable opportunity for riders seeking a dependable vintage machine or a classic project to enjoy. At this price, the GS750C offers plenty of value for fans of classic Japanese motorcycles. Number 7. 1971 BMW R75/5, $5,000, New Oxford, Pennsylvania. The 1971 BMW R75/5 is one of the most respected airhead models ever produced, admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and timeless German styling. As part of BMW's iconic /5 series, the R75/5 continues to be highly regarded by collectors and riders who appreciate comfortable touring and classic European craftsmanship. This motorcycle shows 36,000 original miles and is described as running strong after being well cared for over the years. Aside from a small ding in the fuel tank, it appears to be a clean vintage rider with a clear title in hand. Whether enjoyed as it is or given a light restoration, this R75/5 offers an excellent opportunity to own a classic BMW airhead. Number 8. 1974 Suzuki GT185, $2,000, Columbus, Ohio. The 1974 Suzuki GT185 is a lightweight two-stroke twin that reflects Suzuki's successful lineup of small-displacement street motorcycles during the 1970s. Known for its lively performance, simple mechanics, and distinctive two-stroke character, the GT185 remains a favorite among enthusiasts of vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs well, has a clean title, and was serviced in late 2025 with carburetor cleaning and new spark plugs. Having been garage-kept, it appears to be a well-maintained example that's ready to be enjoyed. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage two-stroke, this GT185 offers classic style and plenty of nostalgic appeal. Number 9. 1968 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $6,000, Park Ridge, Illinois. The 1968 Harley-Davidson Sportster represents the early Ironhead era, a period that helped cement the Sportster's reputation as one of Harley-Davidson's most enduring motorcycles. Known for its compact V-twin engine, unmistakable styling, and strong aftermarket support, These classic Sportsters continue to attract collectors and vintage Harley enthusiasts alike. The seller states that this motorcycle was rebuilt before being placed into storage and shows approximately 6,000 miles. Finished in red with flame graphics, it offers classic custom styling along with the timeless appeal of a vintage Harley. For enthusiasts looking for an early ironhead, this Sportster provides an interesting foundation with plenty of character. Number 10. 1966 Honda Dream, $800, Sharpsville, Pennsylvania. The 1966 Honda Dream is one of the motorcycles that helped introduce Honda to riders around the world, earning a reputation for reliability, smooth performance, and practical everyday transportation. Its distinctive styling and historical importance have made the Dream a recognizable classic among vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs but needs a battery and likely carburetor attention before regular use. It is being sold as is with the title in hand, offering an inexpensive entry into vintage motorcycle ownership. For enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly Honda project, this Dream presents an affordable opportunity with classic 1960s charm.